Welcome to Lora, Inspire and Create, where we explore the beauty of DIY, the joy of creativity, and the art of making something meaningful with your own hands. Today, I want to share a story about how old, forgotten jewelry can be transformed into something completely new and stunning. But this isn't just about making accessories, it's about rediscovering memories and giving them a second life. A few months ago, I opened a small wooden box that had been sitting in storage for years. Inside, I found broken pieces of my grandmother's jewelry. A pearl necklace with a snapped clasp, a chain missing its pendant, and earrings that had lost their pair. To most people, these would have looked like scraps, but to me, they carried stories. At first, I thought about just keeping them tucked away. But then a thought struck me. What if I could take these fragments and turn them into something not only wearable, but modern and stylish? I began carefully laying out the pieces, imagining how they could come together. The pearls became the centerpiece of a new bracelet. The chain was cut and reshaped into layered anklets, and the lone earring was reborn as a charm for a delicate necklace. Here's the twist. While I was working on this project, I realized I wasn't just designing jewelry, I was weaving stories. Every bead and clasp was a reminder of my grandmother's elegance, her laughter, and her love. Suddenly, these weren't just accessories, they were heirlooms reimagined. When I wore the final pieces, friends couldn't believe they were made from old, broken jewelry. They said it looked like something you'd find in a boutique or a luxury store. And for me, it was more than fashion, it was carrying a legacy in a new way. This experience taught me something powerful. Creativity isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about finding meaning in what we create. Sometimes the most valuable materials aren't the new ones, but the old pieces we almost forgot about. So next time you find a box of broken or outdated jewelry, don't toss it aside. Look closer. It might just hold the beginnings of something beautiful, personal, and unforgettable. What about you? Do you have a piece of jewelry that deserves a second life? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to Lora, Inspire and Create, and join me for more DIY projects, inspiration, and creative transformations.